Yeah.
We're going to recover one last airplane. If we get everybody back.
There you go.
Larry Lewis go push people back. All right, everybody move back into the airplanes there. Move back on this end. Everybody move back on this end.
Just leave it where she said.
Fred, duck. All right, you guys see on the horizon out here. I think you recognize the sound. I think you recognize the profile. This is a P-51. It's a unique P-51. It's called an F-51. It actually is a two-seater.
What a profile.
You better have your hands in the air, too. I want to see everybody waving here. Woo! Believe it or not, this is a brand bomb from Perry. This airplane is actually kept now, brand new. It's going to be kept down at the Johnson County Airport in Smithfield. Larry's been down there putting it on the tires for him. And Larry pulled some major strings to get this airplane to come out and do these passes for us. And I'm sure with that extra seat in that airplane, you're going to see Larry's red head in the back seat at some point.
Well, you need a drink. Second dog.
We're going to have to move the CG forward first. What he did just there is took a good look, kind of sized up RDRC field. He looked a little short. To him, it probably looks like a postage stamp. After he does his flybys here, he's going to go park it just up north of here in Franklin County Airport. But don't leave our show to go look at it. Alright, we're going to do a ground attack here. Turn it in on the target. What do people do before things like this? Yeah, start a propeller company. Now we're talking. Alright, get those hands in the air. Raise your voices. Perry, North Carolina.
Woo! I want one, Blair.
I'm going to see if I can pay him to let me watch it.
Thanks.
You know, we'll give him every opportunity to come by again.
He's gone. He's heading back. Probably going to go to probably burned off half of his fuel just circling. Tastes like some fuel.
You don't think?
Yeah!